Hi guys, welcome to the first video for my Dressing Dawn series on YouTube. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that I'm working on a big project to minimize my closet and try to create a seasonless capsule wardrobe that incorporates far more sustainable and ethical brands. Also, if you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that I have a little bit of a struggle with that. I'm a little bit more of a curvy figure, and it's very hard to find brands in the sustainable and ethical market that show models that look like me. So I searched on YouTube for a long time when I was looking for ideas and brands, and I wanted to see how things fit people like me. I just found that that was super helpful. And there are some people on Instagram, and I will link some accounts below on Instagram who I think do an excellent job of this. But sometimes it's just nicer to see the clothes in motion. So in that vein, while I'm working on my project, I thought I would do some fit videos and show you guys some of these brands and what they look like on a body like mine. So today I'm going to unbox some Everlane items. I think I have 4 or 5 different items in here and in a couple different sizes, just so that you can get an idea of what it looks on a body like mine. And if you're interested, you can follow me on Instagram and you can see still photographs, and I have my measurements, and I'll be doing styling videos and outfit pictures, so I will link my Instagram down below too. So let's get started. So the first thing I ordered was the Everlane, let me look at my packing slip so I can call it exactly what it's called. It is the straight leg crop, and I ordered 2 colors. Spring's coming here, and I wanted to have some basic pants that were also still a crop. So I ordered the golden brown color. I love this too, by the way. Everlane just started doing less packaging, so there's no plastic. Everything's wrapped in kind of like a vellum. I'm going to move this candle so I don't set my clothes on fire. It's kind of wrapped in a vellum strip here, just holding everything together. So I ordered the straight leg crop in black and in this golden brown color. Okay, oh, I love that material too. So I'm gonna put these on really quick for you to get an idea of what they look like on.
Okay, so as I stated, these are the straight leg crop. I ordered a size 14 short, which I think works perfectly. They're pretty much the same material as the wide leg crop, which when I originally ordered those in mine, I ordered the regular size, and I ended up having them, so I went with the short on these, and I think the length fits really well. They're a high rise, just like the wide leg crop. Nice and high. I think it's pretty comparable to my Madewell high-rise jeans. I'm really happy with them. They have a little bit of stretch. They're 97% cotton and 3% elastane, so it's really nice to have that stretch. They move pretty well. I don't feel like they stretch out very much, but they definitely do give throughout the day. Now, I did order the exact same size in the black. I ordered a 14 short again, and I do feel like the black ran a little bit more snug. Definitely not in an uncomfortable way. I still feel like they fit very well. They move really well, and they're super flattering. I almost wish the golden brown had that just slightly bit more snug fit, but both of them will be keepers. I think are going to be in heavy rotation for me in my spring and summer wardrobe. So these are definitely keepers.
Next item I ordered was the GoWeave material, and I ordered the Cocoon dress in ivory. And this I did order in 2 sizes just because I fall between the 2 sizes in their size range. I ordered a 12 and a 14, and I think I maybe could have ordered a 10 too, but I know that I'd want it to be a little bit of a looser fit, so I think one of these 2 is going to work for me. Just my initial impressions, I wasn't sure what this fabric was going to be like, but it is a really nice heavyweight woven, and being that it's ivory, I was a little concerned that it might be kind of sheer, but I don't think that's going to be the case. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this on.
So this is the size 12 in the Cocoon dress, and you can see it is pretty unflattering of a fit. So The dress has seaming that cuts right across the widest part of my body. This is what I struggle with in fit in everything. I basically have a 10-inch difference between my waist and my hips. So in most things, this is where I struggle to get things to fit well. And definitely this dress is one of those examples. This one is going back. So I'm going to show you really quickly a close-up of the seaming on the front of the dress. The pockets hit kind of low, and that seam hits well below where my waistline is, and there's just no way to get it to sit well in this size of this dress. So this one, not keeping. This is just something that's hard to see on the website, that it has this seam right across the center, so I just wanted to make sure that I showed that. So here's the larger size. This is the 14. And it definitely still has that seam. There's still a little bit of struggle there with fit. The dress is pretty large on top on me. You can see my whole bra there through the armholes. But I do like the material, and I feel like with the right undergarments, the dress can drape really well and have a little bit more relaxed of a fit around my hips. So I think for now, I'm going to keep this one and find some, I think it could be dressed up. I'm going to find some ways to dress it up. But you can see there in that side view that the dress is pretty large in the upper half. This is just where my biggest struggle is with fit in almost every single brand.
And the last thing that I ordered was the Luxe tank dress in olive. And initially I thought I might return this because it kind of has a seam that runs right down the front, and I'm not sure how I feel about that. This I ordered in an extra large.
Okay, so this is the Luxe Cotton A-line tank dress in olive in a size extra large. I was really surprised when I put it on. It's not like a t-shirt jersey. It's kind of more heavyweight, has a little bit of a sheen and kind of dressy. I do realize that I might be leaning too heavy into this color. I'm not sure I'm keeping this one because there's nothing about it that's spectacular. And the fit's okay, but it's not super great. It is a cute dress, and if I wasn't being so kind of limiting in my wardrobe, I might just keep this one. But for now, I think it may go back.
So I hope it was helpful to get an idea of what the pieces look like on a figure similar to mine. If you're interested in seeing more videos like this, just give me a like, subscribe, go follow me on Instagram, and just let me know. If there's other brands you'd like to see me do this with, I'm more than happy to try and create some more videos with other brands. If you have suggestions for ethical, sustainable brands that are size inclusive. And hopefully you guys can follow along on this journey. I'll be posting updates as we go. Thanks, guys.